off my car. Get off my car. Relax. Bro, why are you doing this, bro?
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Crime Time Cam. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. If you enjoy these videos, hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow, and you'll never miss a new breakdown. Officers respond to a report of a man found sleeping on private property, but once they make contact, the situation begins to develop beyond the initial complaint. The breakdown starts now.
What's up, bro? Just let you know I got a body camera, right? What's going on, man?
What's the problem?
The officer had to make several attempts just to get his attention, and once contact is made, the man's tone comes across as somewhat confrontational. At this point, the officer still needs to establish why he's there and figure out what's going on.
You're on someone's property, that's the problem.
I've been here for over 7 months or whatnot. I don't want to lie about it.
Okay, I appreciate that. You're on someone's property. This
is not no someone's property.
This is someone's property. Someone owns this land.
I'm not sure if you'll get in trouble because I was just arresting you, disturbing my peace.
Right. So I'm gonna have to ask you to move along, bro, because you're on someone's property.
I'm not moving here. I'm not leaving from here.
All right, well, come on, let's go. I'm gonna ask you. I'm
not leaving here because, for one,
okay.
I talk to the farmers. I get fed by the farmers.
What's their names? What's their names, and I'll call them.
I'm not sure about the name. I don't want to lie about it.
Then I don't believe you. Then
the key issue now is whether the man actually has permission to be on this property. He says he works for the farmers, but he can't identify them. From the officer's perspective, that gives him very little information to verify the man's explanation.
If you can't provide me a name to tell me who this is, right? I don't give a shit who you are, bro. Right, do you know who I am? I'm
believe in God?
I don't believe in nothing. I don't believe in nothing. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, to move along, bro.
God, you ain't talking like that. And you ain't disturbing my peace, bro.
Yeah, I am disturbing your peace.
Disturbing my peace, bro.
And I'm gonna continue to disturb it. You ain't resting here, bro. You're on someone's property.
No,
I don't give a shit. You're on someone's property, bro.
It's not leaving.
Okay. And neither am I. And neither am I. And neither am I.
Keep moving.
No, it's not no excuse me.
Excuse yourself. Keep moving, bro.
Do you really think I'm leaving right now?
At this point, the conversation isn't producing any new information. The officer keeps returning to the request to leave, while the man continues challenging that direction. That back and forth is starting to limit the officer's ability to resolve this through conversation alone.
Okay.
I'm not. What's your point, bro? You know you disturbing my peace. You know who I am. Why are you disturbing my peace?
Why don't you tell me who you are?
I'm your living God.
Okay.
Look it up. Somebody will tell you.
Okay.
So, is there anything wrong with the city?
Don't do that.
Is there anything wrong with the city? Don't do what? Oh, move around, bro. You doing too much. Watch out.
Do not close that door on me, bro.
You are in my way. You are in my way, bro. Move.
You ain't going nowhere, neither am I.
May the Lord bless you. Move. Or curse you. Which one you want?
Notice the shift here. The man is no longer offering information that could help verify why he's on the property. Instead, he's challenging the officer to remove him while continuing to refuse the request to leave, making voluntary cooperation increasingly unlikely.
Move me or curse me, either one.
Which one do you want, bro?
Curse me or move me.
Which one do you want, bro?
Dude,
which one do you
why
want?
are you here?
Which one do you want?
Are you homeless?
Why are you here?
Are you homeless?
Why are you here?
Can I help you get somewhere?
How can I help you?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay?
What's your problem?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay at?
What is your problem?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay?
What is your problem, bro?
Can I get you somewhere where you can stay?
What is your problem? What is your problem, Hubbard?
The officer is putting on his gloves now. That's a noticeable change in his preparation. After repeated refusals to leave, he appears to be getting ready in case this interaction requires a more hands-on response.
What's the problem? Is there people need to eat or something? I'm pretty sure I prayed a few times already. What's your problem? Upper. Don't you hear that? Who are you with? You ain't even actually with the sheriff in Champaign County. And you should know that. You from Champaign County, then you should know what's going on. What's your problem, bro? Move. Get out the way, bro. Like that, move, bro. You know I was just asleep, bro. Get out the way.
Shit, what you heard?
You interrupted my peace.
Good. You're on someone's
You interrupted
property.
my peace.
You're on someone's
Did they call
property.
the police?
Yes, that's
No, they
why I'm
didn't.
here.
No, they didn't.
That's the bro.
Did the owners call the police?
Yes,
Did
that's
the
why
owners
I'm
call the
here.
police?
That's
Where
why
are they
I'm
at?
here.
Where?
That's why I'm here.
Where?
That's why
Where?
I'm here.
Because the farmers know I'll be right here for 7 months, dude.
Okay, what are their
Stop
names?
playing with me, bro. Stop playing for real.
Can I
I
call
don't give
them?
a fuck.
Can I
None of
call
that.
them?
No.
Ask
No,
if
because you
that's
should have brought
okay.
them with you. You should have brought them with you. Why are you disturbing my peace?
His confrontational behavior is becoming more pronounced here. He's now speaking aggressively while getting directly into the officer's space. That proximity adds another concern for the officer while he's still trying to communicate and resolve the situation verbally.
Get on. Get on. Get on. Get your supervisor. Get on. Get on. Go get your
I don't
supervisor.
even know why you like
Go get your supervisor. Look how you approach, bro. I ask you what's the problem. Talk to your living God like
bro,
this.
don't you
Why you
on me
talking to
like
your living
that? You
God like
understand
this?
me?
Why are you talking to your
stand on me like that?
No, you walked up to my
Dude,
face.
I don't give a shit.
You walked up to my
You ain't
face.
going-
Stop talking to your living God like that. Stop playing with me, boy. Man, get off my car. Get off my car. Get off my car.
His confrontational behavior has intensified significantly now. He's in the officer's face, speaking aggressively, and the conversation is no longer getting anywhere. The officer's patience also appears to be wearing thin as he continues trying to get the man to cooperate.
Relax. Bro, why are you doing this, bro?
Bro, you gonna
Let's pretend money back right now.
Living God acting like this.
you should have.
Boom on the side. Hi, bud. We're on the side here.
I hope you have a heart attack.
Make it 5 minutes. You got 95. Stop moving, bro.
I'm in handcuffs already.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
I'm on video. I'm in handcuffs already.
Yep. I'm not choking
You're
you.
choking my neck.
I'm grabbing your
You're choking my neck.
I'm grabbing
You're
your shit.
choking my neck.
Don't try to kick me either.
Nah, I'm trying to sit up. I'm trying to sit up. Get up off my body. Bro. I'm in handcuffs already.
I don't care. You just try to kick me.
I did try to kick you. I'm trying to sit up.
Do not try to kick me.
Don't worry about it. I'm not living guy. Y'all playing like this. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3.
Hang on.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Not on you. You get up and leave.
Bro.
All right? Otherwise, you're going to keep sitting down.
1, 2,
No.
3. Let's go. Get up.
You relax.
Lock my car doors. Hold on. I'm gonna lock my car doors.
The incident ended with officers taking the man into custody after the confrontation on the property. He was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. What started as an attempt to get him to leave voluntarily became much more difficult as he continued refusing the officer's directions, and the confrontation intensified. What are your thoughts on how the officer handled this interaction? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think the officer handled the situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.